Hello, my name is Shraj, and I'm joined here with Lauren.
Hi.
I will be demonstrating AlphaNet, our project for the Perplexity Hackathon. This is our dynamic platform to view S&P 500 companies and all their connections and investments, partnerships, etc., etc. You can see each node that's in green will be an S&P 500 company from a data set, and the ones in gray are the ones generated by our AI research generation method using Perplexity Sonar API. Now you can see here, it kind of locks on to either Microsoft, Google, or NVIDIA at the start. And you can see all these connections with it simply with OpenAI, because it's a private company. It's not open, and it's not an S&P 500. All these connections, and you see this very, very large graph and this large web here. That's all these companies are connected to each other in some way. And then you can see other ones that aren't connected to any of these, but they're separated, and all of them have separate connections here. So you can see PGR, the Progressive Corporation, all has so many parent company of all this information. And we have a query system custom made using it's backed and powered by the Perplexity Sonar API, where we can query a custom Cypher agent using natural language to make this graph much more simple. Because obviously it's very, very complicated right now. Although it looks really cool seeing all of these, and you can move each node around, it's very, very complicated. So let me ask it, show me Google. And it will generate a Cypher query using the Perplexity Sonar Pro API. And here you can see Google. So you can see its connections, what parent company it's of, what it's partnered with. See how it's partnered with Humana. You can see how it's partnered with PayPal and Google, right? The main company, of course. All of its partnerships here. So when you click on the node, the information comes from a Supabase of information, and all of these nodes are generated through Neo4j. All the nodes are created through Perplexity Sonar API in a research script. So here's our NVIDIA. Of course, you can see all of its partnerships, but specifically because we wanted to see the partnerships of Google, that's all we could see. We have a couple buttons to zoom in, zoom out, and this would reload the entire graph. Let's try a more complex query. Show me all the companies in the same sector as Palantir. Oh, yeah. So it knows the Palantir's in the technology sector. So it shows me all the technology sector companies. Yeah, this is AlphaNet. You can use it to visualize all these S&P 500 companies. Super cool, slightly computationally intensive, but that's okay because it is really, really worth. And I love seeing how specific companies are connected to other ones, between what investment, what relationship. Yeah, thank you for watching.